Go ahead and sit in the car.
Why do you have to be so mean?
Well, it is
I was on.
6 o'clock. You're intoxicated. Go ahead and sit in the car. Sit in
I
the
was
car.
on a bike ride with my friend,
Sit in the car.
and I stopped to get cats.
Sit in the car or I'm going to put you in there.
Don't be so mean.
Sit in the car or I'm going to put you in there.
You do not have to be so mean.
Sit in the car.
What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future big boy on campus, here to break down another video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are those cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Police Insider, entitled Karen Meets Karma After Drunk Driving Accident, parentheses, police body camera. Alright, I've never seen this, walking in blindly. Sorry, it's been a while. I've been wrestling with my own demons. I'm gonna focus on being consistent rather than just try to make a grand production of every single video when I'm literally only 7 months in. I'll save that for down the road if I ever explode or get famous or what have you. In the meantime, I'm gonna just focus on being consistent. Starting with today's video. Here we go.
On August 7th, 2023, officers responded to an accident. Upon arrival, the victim directed them to the lady in question, who appeared to be drunk.
She's over
Here's
there.
what happened next.
Yep. She's trying to escape now. No. She's completely drunk. Come here.
Where's she at?
Yeah, she's right there.
He's trying not to. This guy's so excited.
8 May 20, show me 37.
Look at that. She's dropping everything and you know.
See
that one? That's the one.
Is this her?
That's the lady. Look right there.
I think she's trying to leave. She is very.
Okay.
This is a whole
Hey, ma'am.
community affair.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm gonna call my husband. I can't find my keys.
Okay.
Oh, interesting.
No keys.
8 May 20. We have an additional unit, non-27. Possible points, 19.
It's okay.
Did
All
it
right.
say she
I'm
was
good.
drunk?
So, where are you coming from?
Oh, nowhere. Just I was bike riding.
You were bike riding?
Yeah.
You were bike riding?
Where,
Then
where were you bike riding at?
I was bike riding on the Loveland Madeira Trail.
Okay.
interesting. So why are you trying to get in
I
this
drove.
vehicle?
You drove here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. So I don't believe that you're good. You realize that you've been involved in an accident?
No.
No, you don't realize you've been involved in an accident?
No.
What happened?
I was not in an accident.
You weren't in an accident?
No.
So if they didn't see her driving, it's going to be really hard to prove anything. But I guess since there was an accident involved, he could push that and investigate the DUI.
No. Okay. Well, I don't believe you, ma'am. You have got front end damage to the front of your vehicle. You said that you drove here.
Despite repeated requests for her name, the woman remained uncooperative and provided a false name.
What's her name, ma'am?
Karen!
I can't find my phone.
What's her name, ma'am?
Can I borrow your phone?
I'm not gonna let you borrow my phone unless I know who you are.
I think I just left my phone maybe at my friend's house.
It's your friend's house?
Oh,
so
Yeah.
did you go to your friend's house before or after the bike ride?
Yeah. We ride every day. We ride.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we ride.
Beyond the Napa Auto
okay.
Parts with Ohio.
What's your name?
William
Do you have your ID on you?
9602.
Did I leave my phone with
Silver
you,
Nissan
Kathy?
Pathfinder with one.
Kathy and Karen. Classic.
Did I leave my phone with you? I'm at
Probably
Lowe's. I
switching it
can't
to-
find my phone. Do you have my phone? Okay, I don't have my phone. I think
Okay.
I left.
What's your name,
my
ma'am?
phone.
What's your name?
I'll need to tell you my name.
Well, you
Ma'am,
were currently
you
being
do,
detained
What?
for a motor vehicle accident.
For what?
You struck another vehicle with your vehicle.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why do you say you didn't?
I did not.
Okay. Well, you just told me that you did.
No,
Because you
I
told
did
me that you
not.
drove, and then you've got witnesses that are stating that you hit another vehicle.
I did not. I deny it. I did not.
So, what is your name? I just want to be able to be polite and interact with you. I'm Officer Ryan. What's your name?
Penelope.
Penelope?
Oh,
What's your last
beautiful name.
I'm not going there.
Okay. All right.
Well, then you know where you are going. To jail for failure to identify. You are the suspect in a crime, the crime being a motor vehicle accident in which you were a part of, and I suspect you're driving under the influence. So if you're not going to identify yourself, you're just going to go to jail.
Are you willing to do some field tests for me to make sure that you're not intoxicated today?
No, I'm not.
You're not intoxicated?
No, I was riding bicycles.
Okay.
You see my pants?
I understand
So
that.
then why is your
I don't
car
understand why
here?
you're not being cooperative with me.
I'm not.
Okay.
I just
then-
needed a can of paint.
I understand. I see you got a can of paint.
So you
And it
weren't
seems like you're
riding
also
bikes.
struggling to get out of here. You don't have your
can't.
phone, you don't have your wallet, you don't have your ID, your keys, anything.
I do have my ID.
Okay. All right.
Can I
So,
have
do
it?
you mind explaining to me what's going on? Why you're not
I'm just waiting
cooperative?
for my husband because obviously I locked my keys in my car.
Right.
So you can be on your way.
No.
Well, I'm not heading out anywhere.
Sorry.
Okay.
Are you gonna state that you're not doing field tests for me?
Just a side note, just so you guys can learn more about me. This is my all-time favorite type of weather. It's beautiful. I love it. It's cozy. Makes me feel really warm inside.
No, I am not.
So, at this point, if you're going to refuse field tests, we're going to escalate this. I'm going to arrest you for OVI,
What's that?
operating a vehicle impaired.
No.
Okay?
No.
So, from the evidence I've gotten from witnesses, I'm getting an odor of alcoholic beverage coming from you, and you're severely disoriented. You've locked your keys in the car. You're struggling to communicate with me effectively, and you're struggling to communicate over the phone with whoever
This
you're on
officer
the
is
phone.
very good
I my phone.
at
I left it. with
verbalizing his thoughts.
So,
my friend.
are you willing to do the field test? Show
No.
me that you're not impaired? Okay?
I'm not willing to do anything,
Not
sir.
willing to do anything?
No.
Okay, can
Cool.
you turn around and put your hands behind your back?
No.
Nope.
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Turn around
Then
and
I'm
put your
gonna
hands
force
back.
you.
All right.
You're gonna turn around and put your hands
All
behind
right,
your
I'll
back.
do the thing.
Nope.
I'll do the
Nope.
thing.
That's my favorite when they go, nope, not gonna do anything. But then when they're faced with the repercussions of failing to follow orders and failing to do what needs to be done in a situation like this, they backtrack immediately.
Too late. We've already
No.
passed it. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No, I'll do the thing. I'll
Give
do
me your other
the
hand.
thing.
Give me your other hand.
Do,
Give me your other hand.
Don't touch me. I will report you.
That little boy's like, look at that Karen, Dad. What a piece of shit.
will do the thing. I will do the thing, whatever you
It's
want me
too
to do.
late.
20, I have 126.
No F21, I will not do. I will do the thing.
No.
I'm buying paint. Don't do this.
You're already past that, man.
Don't
Put your hands
do
together
this.
like you're praying.
Don't do this. I will walk the
You
walk,
chose
whatever you want.
this.
Nope. Too late.
No. We're not doing that.
Resisting arrest.
No, no.
Huh.
We're not doing this.
We are.
You are not. Do not touch me. Please do not touch me. I will report you. Ow, that hurt.
I will report you. All right, guys. So when you fail to do what's asked of you by a police officer, that's called a lawful order. At that point, like, he has every reason to be there. If you disobey the lawful order and then start pulling away, you're going to be met with some pain. It's called pain compliance, and that's what he's doing here.
That hurts.
Remember, this is not him escalating it to this point. This is absolutely all on her.
That hurts.
It's important to realize that.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Sir, ow.
Got one on. Relax.
Come on. Guys, come on.
Mary 12, we're one
I
detained.
am not hurting anyone.
You're under arrest
Stop it.
for resisting.
I love the
Resisting
levels of the two
what?
cops.
Resisting arrest. Yeah, you just stacking charges.
I don't know. I didn't do anything, ma'am.
If you didn't do anything, you should listen to what they say.
I know.
That's how people get hurt. They want to go home.
The bystander
Mary 12,
talking
flip
shit.
99.
I don't know her information or anything yet, so.
Is this her car?
No, this is
No.
All right, let's go.
Wait. No, stop.
I will drag you to this car in front of everybody.
know.
I don't care. Let's
Excuse
go.
me. I have questions.
Like, you're
what's that
already in
privilege?
handcuffs, so what?
Questions.
What do you think's gonna
I
happen?
want to know.
You're under arrest for OVI, resisting arrest, and obstruction.
Can I just please call my husband?
Nope.
No?
You're going to go to jail.
Oh, good.
Yeah, you can call him
All
at
right,
the jail.
do you have your cameras on?
Yep.
Good. I need my phone.
How entitled do you have to be to, like, ask questions like, are your cameras on? Yeah, we've captured your behavior this entire time. Don't try to make this an us problem. This is a you problem.
Well, you'll be lucky to get that.
Why do you have to be so mean?
Why do you have to not listen to us? So go ahead and
Look.
take a seat in the car.
I am a really nice woman.
Well, you're not showing that right now. Go ahead and sit in the car.
Why do you have to be so mean?
Well, it
All right.
is
I was on.
6 o'clock. You're intoxicated. Go
No,
ahead and
I'm
sit in the car. Sit
I
in the
was
car.
on a bike ride with my friend,
Sit in the car.
and I stopped to get cash.
Sit in the car or I'm going to put you in there.
Don't be so mean.
Sit in the car or I'm going to put you in there.
You do not have to be so mean.
Sit in the car.
I will. Why
Just
are
pull
you
her in.
being so aggressive?
Sit in the car. man.
Jesus
Sit in the
God.
car. This is your
Sit in the car.
opportunity.
I'm going to pull you in.
Don't mess with
Oh my
bald guys.
God.
Here's what the witnesses conveyed to the police.
She was the one.
She hit your car too?
No. She was the one following her.
I
Because
didn't see her
she,
hit the car.
she-
I
Okay.
was pulling out of Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
She came out of nowhere, like, and just hit that Lowe's display that's up there right across from Chick-fil-A.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Bags of mulch or there's 3 big stacks of something, and then there's a sign that says like Lowe's big event.
Okay,
Right.
so she hit that.
She hit that, and it was like no reason, like nobody was in her way. It
Okay.
wasn't-
True.
And she hit that and bounced off,
Uh-huh.
and then just
Literally
went flying
bounced off.
down here. So
Okay.
I followed her down here. I wanted to at least get a picture of her license plate.
Okay.
And she was like reckless, and then I pulled up, and then right after they came to my window, they said, "Did you see what happened to my car?" And I'm like,
Just a side note, if you guys ever like witness a crime or whatever, go ahead and stick around, because the more people that relay what they saw to the police, the better it helps the police bolster their case, and the more likely it's going to be that when it comes time for court, they will be convicted on those charges. So be a narc, stay by, and let the cops know what you saw.
"No, it didn't happen in the last few minutes."
Okay, well,
But we
it's
looked-
definitely her car.
Yeah,
I mean,
there was
yeah.
white paint and stuff.
Yeah.
So I have a feeling she came through reckless.
Yeah, it's
in
mine.
her car and
It's
stuff.
mine. Yeah,
But
it's
she's
mine.
sat in the car for a long time.
Okay.
And when she came out, she couldn't even stand up.
You don't
Okay.
say.
We'll get a written statement from you, and then
Okay.
we'll try to get you out of here as quick as
Yeah,
possible.
I had to pick up my daughter from soccer at high school.
Okay.
But
Let
I
me
called
get a
my
state-
husband.
I don't really give a shit, but
Okay.
that's cool.
Oh my God, Kathy! Jesus Christ! Ah! Hello, little boy. Can I get my phone out of my car, please, to call my husband?
No, ma'am.
Hello.
Do you need anything else from me?
Yes, I need my phone.
Very good. Yeah.
No, I need my phone.
Keep in mind, she couldn't even get into her own vehicle. So how the hell does she expect them to get into her vehicle for her?
Oh, hello. You accosted me, and I'm sorry I don't remember what the is your name. And it's
Ma'am.
raining, and I'm trying to get home. And what is your name? Ah! Oh my God! You're jerking me around back here. I'm reporting you. I am so reporting you. Ah! And now I'm handcuffed. I'm reporting you. What is your name, sir?
Ma'am.
Ryan, Officer Ryan. I've got lots of stuff on you, Ryan. Ryan, you little shit.
I wonder what she's like at Thanksgiving when she's like preparing the meal for her family. If she's just trash talking them the whole time like this. Can you imagine?
My purse. That is mine. Where are we going?
To jail.
Where are we going?
To jail.
Answer me, Ryan. Where going? You better tell me where the jail is, or I'm going to report what you said. Claremont County Jail. Could you please tell me where that is?
You can tell she's been drinking
Oh
because
my
she's
God.
slurring pretty
I can't
significantly.
see. You better turn on your windshield wipers, buddy.
Also, I like to imagine that a normal person, I'm sure she's pretty normal when she's not drunk. Maybe I'm giving her too much benefit of the doubt. But this is what we see with a lot of drunk people. Just trying to find ways to gain control of the situation when in reality they have no control. Also, the bad mouthing. This is a full-grown woman just trash talking random people, and she's clearly in the wrong, but she just can't accept the fact that she screwed up. So it's very clear she's been drinking.
I'm going to report you. I can't even see out of the window. Turn them on faster, please. What the f***? I'm in Lowe's buying paint. What the hell is with you guys?
I thought she was on a bike ride.
Ah! Oh my God. Do you think I am a risk? Jesus God, you guys are unreal. Like, I'm a grandma. I've never been arrested.
Can you imagine your
I've never
grandma
had
doing
anything.
this?
Why are you doing this? Claremont County Jail. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Out in the boonies with the boony people.
Right.
Jesus God, you all make me sick.
She is up here. We mortals are down here. Remember that.
And the man that was in my face yelling at me, what the f was his name? Sergeant what? Huh? You have to talk
Ma'am,
louder. I'm hard of
it'll
hearing.
all be
I
on the
left my
report.
hearing aids at home. What was the name of the officer that had his face in my face yelling at me? You better tell me his name or it's going to go on the record that
Sergeant
you
Bald
refuse
Boy.
to do so.
Step out.
My shoulders are killing me.
Swing your feet first.
My shoulders are killing me.
I understand that.
I'm a bike rider.
I know. You seem like you're in good shape then.
What?
I said if you're a bike rider, you're in good shape then, right?
He's taking offense to everything.
We're going this way.
Was that derogatory?
No, it wasn't. I said
What?
Yes, it was.
Oh,
my
man.
God.
You have some issues.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go.
You are
Let's go.
going down.
Comment down below. Do you think the officers went down like her threats said that they were going to go down? Do you think they went down? Let me know down below. These bastards can't keep getting away with this.
Yes. You talked about how you ride bicycles. That's good.
She's pleasant,
Stand up against
isn't
this
she?
glass here. Okay. Stand up against this glass.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest and given a court date for OWI. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Cool. All right, guys. I think the young officer did a fantastic job. I think the bald officer did what he had to do. Overall, that's the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.